Welcome guys back and today and hi guys, welcome back and sorry for that thing. Today I'm playing Dragon Life. I know it is a little bit late, but it was too lazy. Okay, let's see what is this. Straight. Let's do this. Brom tail tape. Long rhombus. Creeper. Wait, what? Creeper? This is looking. Let's just put an arrow because it looks. Let me see if I can. Let me see. This? Next. Oh, I made it already. I don't know if it is not gonna look pretty or something like this. I'm not gonna. Oh, I don't. So what is this? But let's make the last one. This is it. I think it is okay. A nature dragon. Okay. See. Okay, let's spawn. I don't really like how it's looking. Welcome to Dragon's Life. Elena Kitty 25. I never was good at it. Bear Priel? What will you name yourself Priel? Oh, she has the same wings as me. Bored. GG bored. Hey. Which is Queen Gigi. Maybe. Let's just go for him. This is my first time that okay, this that. Wait, and I want to show you the tree. I think it is 4 elemental caves that you may don't know that existing. First is it the fire. That's why we are right here. Ah. I'm dead. Okay, pumpkins everywhere. Sorry, I just want to see all the pumpkins that are existing. And here, maybe there are these things everywhere. There is an elemental crystal or elemental crystals just here. You need to go. Wrong way, absolutely wrong. Okay, let's just go back and wait a second. Lava. I'm not. I will do repeat because I will do repeat video. Oh shit! There's someone here. Okay, let me see your name. There's almost one. Oh, I don't. I'm very shy and quit. Okay, I'm dead. Okay. I'm looking like Rainbow. There's two things, so I don't like how I look. This is the first thing that I wanted to show you. I found when I was playing, and it was not this character. You know what I'm talking about. Dragon's Life 2, I think it was. Yeah, 2. It was 2. It is actually the same map as it was. I think they saved it. Okay. Next one, the Sia cave. It is yeah, it is. I think it is the most easier to find. Oh, I think she found. She knows about it. Let's see if I don't. If I don't, no, she will not do it. Oh shit! Oh, she's a girl. She's a she. Oh. Let's go here. If you don't know, this is water actually. It took me a period to do it, but I finally found out it is water. No, that is the same thing when you see. It is actually just water. The water is the same, but let's see if you can. I know when I had home this thing. Okay, let's see if we can. I'm not really sure. She makes it to look actually like water, so I'm not really sure. Hey, out of water. Let's just stay here. Next one. Next one will be hide, and then I will show you a little elements or nature crystal. I'm not really sure. Okay, let's go. Next one is the dark element cave. I've told her to ignore me because I'm recording, and why not? I think she's ignoring me. I hope so. I wanted to tell you that rose is type of half dark and half dark element and half nature. So if you thought that she's any two elements, she's a hybrid, to make clear, then you don't know what you're talking about. I'm not gonna show where is it. I want you to find them. This cave. So let's get to the next one. To make clear, this is not the last one. This one are the that you can see actually. Here is actually like the nature element cave or ice, but the ice is underwater, I think so. Let's just go and see the nature one. It is really close. I don't really remember, but let's see if we can find it. And the second, let me see where it is. There. Yeah, this is it. Much of the people don't see it, but I saw it, and I forgot to put it. Shyfoox mom's sculpture. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you later with Anitor Dragon's live video. Oh yeah, and the next I will try to make it a repeat. Bye. Yeah, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Let me put down. No, no. Bye, guys. Toot, 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 toot.